56 photos available at AndersonCars.com featuring this 2002 BMW 325i in Orient Blue Metallic with natural brown Montana leather interior. Installed options include premium package heated and powered front seats with driver memory sunroof, new tires, multi-function steering wheel. Inquire online for your next 2002 BMW 3 Series at Anderson BMW, Mazda and Volkswagen to experience the Anderson difference. We understand that your time is valuable and will do everything possible to minimize your time and energy in purchasing your next vehicle. Call 815-455-7255 and ask for the Internet Department for VIP service.